So in the given triangle ABC, P, R and Q, these 3 points split the sides in the ratio of 3:4, 4:5 and 3:5 respectively. We need to find the area of the pink color quadrilateral PQCR and find the ratio of this area to the area of the triangle ABC. Now this given data is for any generic triangle. Let us assume that the sides are, because the sides are in the ratio of 3:4, 4:5 and 3:5, let us assume that these sides are actually 7, 9 and 8, so that I can take my AP value as 3, PB value as 4, BR value as 4, RC value as 5, QZ value as 5 and AQ value as 3. Now this length AB is 7, BC is 9 and AC is 8. So what is the perimeter of the triangle? 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 24. If perimeter is 24, semi-perimeter is half of the perimeter, which is 12. Area of the triangle is given by square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, right? So which is square root of 12 into 12 minus 7 into 12 minus 8 into 12 minus 9. So 4 3s are 12, this 12, these two 12s I can bring it outside. So my area is given by 12 root 5. Okay, area of the entire triangle is 12 root 5. Now let me try to find what is this angle A. Area of the triangle can also be said as half into one side into another side into sine of angle between those two sides. Let's call that angle as angle A. This is also equal to 12 root 5. Therefore my area of the triangle, therefore my sine A is given by 12 root 5 divided by 28. Let's establish this here. Why is sine A needed? Let's say if I have to find the area of the blue color triangle APQ, area of this triangle is given by half into one side into another side into sine of angle between these two sides, which is 9 by 2 into 12 root 5 by 28. So this is the area of the blue color triangle. Similarly, what is the let's assume that this angle is B. Now area of the triangle is also given by half into one side 7 and other side 9. Assume that AB side and BC sides are the two sides that we are considering, into sine of angle between them, that I am taking as sine B, and this area is 12 root 5. So I can write my sine B as 12 root 5 into 2 divided by 63. This is my sine B. Why do I need sine B? So that I can find the area of the green color triangle. What is the area of green color triangle PBR? It is given by half into one side into another side into sine of angle between these two sides, which is 16 by 2 into, what is sine B? Sine B I can take from the derivation as 12 root 5 into 2 divided by 63. Now what I am going to do is I am going to take instead of finding the pink color area divided by entire ABC area, I am going to find this blue plus green color area by entire triangle area, and from that fraction, if I subtract that fraction from 1, I will get the remaining fraction. So what is my blue color area plus green color area by area of the triangle ABC? That is given by, blue color area is 9 by 2 into 12 root 5 by 28, plus what is green color area? Green color area is given by 16 by 2 into 12 root 5 into 2 by 63. The whole divided by what is the area of the triangle ABC? 12 root 5. Now I can cancel out 12 root 5 from all my equations, and what I'll have is 9 by 56 plus 16 by 63. This is the ratio between the blue plus green area and the triangle ABC. So this 56 and 63, if I have to take LCM, 56 is 7 into 8, 63 is 7 into 9. So if I take LCM, 7 into 8 into 9 is my LCM. So 9 becomes 9 into 9 because 7 into 8 into 9 plus 16 into 8. So this is 81 plus 128 by 504, which is 209 by 504. So this is the ratio of blue plus green color area by ABC. So what is the ratio of PQCR by ABC? That is given by 1 minus this ratio, which we can find as 295 by 504. This is the required ratio that we are looking for.